Hi everyone, welcome to It's a Family Thing channel. Today we're going to learn how to tie a tie in 10 seconds. So this is really helpful with helping your sons, your grandfathers, yourself, your husband, anybody to tie, especially if you're teaching a young person for the first time how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is take your tie and you're going to lay it seam side up. Seam side is the side that would go against the neck. You will also see that there's a couple of guides here that are sewn into the tie and they're diagonal. Those give you good cheat points of where to put your hands. So the first thing you're going to do is find your first little diagonal spot and you're going to take and give a little twirl here and make a swoop with your tie, giving about 2 to 3 inches from the tag to the line of the tie. Then we're going to repeat it over here. Same thing, I've got my guides and I am looping it so that I can make an opposite swirl. So I have seam up, seam up, seam up, and my nice little artistic tie. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my hand and put it in this awkward position and grasp hold of that loop. And I'm going to turn and turn so that my fingertips are up. And then I'm going to take the thick portion of the tie and put it on top of the thin portion of the tie. And then I still have this smaller bottom portion of the tie. I'm going to pull it through and I'm going to hold it. And then I am going to just keep pulling it. Pull, pull, pull. We're on the back side of the tie right now. We're going to flip it over. And you have a perfect tie on how to tie a tie in 10 seconds. So it is still at a point that it is adjustable because you're going to need to make the neck bigger to be able to slide it over the person's head and adjust it around the shirt. Also based on somebody's height would depend on how long you want this portion of the tie. So now we're going to do it in slow motion for you so that you don't have to keep stopping and starting the video. And this is how you would tie a tie in 10 seconds.